Today, I've brought some amazing new machinery, life tools, and life hacks just for you that are sure to impress. Not only will you enjoy watching this video, but you'll also stay entertained without feeling disappointed. So, let's get started. The machine is expertly peeling the mango with perfect precision, ensuring minimal waste and maximum efficiency. It's a highly effective tool for processing mangoes quickly and cleanly. Automatic saw maximum safety for both food and operators. Do you frequently cut products with a saw? Bone-in meat, frozen fish? This machine is expertly separating the egg yolk from the egg white, with exceptional precision and efficiency. PVC dip liquid coating is applied to working gloves to create a textured, granule-like surface that significantly enhances grip. This anti-slip feature is particularly effective in ensuring better control and safety when handling tools or materials. The coating also adds durability, making the gloves more resistant to wear and tear during demanding tasks. The silicone color mixing machine efficiently blends different pigments into silicone, ensuring a consistent and uniform color throughout the material. It's designed for precise mixing, making it ideal for producing high-quality, color-specific silicone products. This machine reduces tasks that usually take hours to just minutes, greatly enhancing productivity. It's a powerful tool for speeding up processes and saving time. Learn how to create simple and effective storage solutions at home using easy wooden hacks and tricks. These DIY ideas will help you organize your space while adding functional and stylish storage options. Engineering works involve the design, construction, and maintenance of structures, systems, or machinery. Wow, what an amazing feat! He completed the entire second floor of the building all on his own. Wow, what an incredible worker! He completed the task beautifully without using any machinery. This machine is working in such a precise and efficient manner. Satisfying stress is a manageable level of pressure that motivates individuals to perform better, helping them grow without feeling overwhelmed. With the help of this small tool, you can easily remove any small plant from one spot and replant it in another. These two people are thinking that their job is the hardest. Would you prefer to do a job like this or not? I love it. Obviously, these jobs are quite important and must be done manually. If I get a job like this, I would definitely do it. If you got this job, would you do it? Let me know your answer in the comments. Oh my God, I've never seen so many scorpions in my life. This vehicle's machine cuts trees quickly and with impressive precision, making the process efficient and smooth. It's remarkable how accurately it handles such a challenging task,